Hey guys, Dale here. One more segment for you all. I want to share this with you. This is kind of cool as well. We've talked about all the steel, on this scooter. It continues, okay? We don't have an aluminum folding system here, guys. This is a steel folding system, so it's going to have a big hook on the stem, and when it's folded, I love this thing, man. It's so awesome. So it picks up like this and goes back. Okay, and as you can see, this is a steel hook, and this is a steel hook, okay, on the back of the deck of the scooter, and it's got a strong magnet that sucks it in when you stick that hook in there, and boom, it's done. So this can easily be picked up. It's not going anywhere, guys. It's a great system, and we're real proud of the fact that it's a heavy scooter, but you can absolutely pick it up and carry it with the stem, and so that's really good stuff. So one more thing I want to show you. Like I said, everything is metal. Okay. I don't know of another scooter out there that's got all metal, including steel, for a big part of the safety mechanism on the scooter, meaning the steering shaft and the stem itself. But like even the side lights, okay, that are going to go on the scooter. This is made of aluminum, guys. It's all metal. I didn't want any plastic on this scooter whatsoever. If I could help from it, there's one piece. That's it. So there's that. This is a motor. Okay, this is one of the motors for the scooter, and as you can see, all quick connects. And every single connection on this scooter is going to be a quick connect, just like this, okay? Now, this is a little bigger than most of them, but all the other ones for the components, all quick connect. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to bring some more stuff to you, okay?